A speech which uses demonstrations, descriptions, various details of a specific topic, maybe explanations to make the audience understand the topic in detail would be an informative speech. And yes, the basic purpose of an informative speech is very simple: to make a complex topic easily understandable by any and every audience in simple words and logic. Having understood the definition of an informative speech, let us quickly understand what are the four types of informative speech. We can have definitive ones, where we define the topic. We can have explanatory ones, where we explain the topic in detail and give more information. It can be demonstrative ones, where we actually explain how something happens, how something's taking place. Or the last one could be, it can be a descriptive one, where we are describing the topic with the how and what details of the topic. If I have to quickly take a simple example, I would say finding age of a tree. All of us might know that to gauge the age of a tree, we need to count the number of rings in the trunk. To be able to define the process in terms of what it is for, it will be called as definitive informative speech. To be able to demonstrate how to count the number of rings would be demonstrative by nature. To be able to explain the very purpose and the connection of what rings have to do with the age of the tree would be a descriptive informative speech. An explanatory informative speech would actually explain us the logic between the age of a tree and how calculating the age of the tree is connected to the number of rings that are present in the trunk. In terms of descriptive informative speech, the description is all about how the logic and how the entire process can be interconnected and how we can go about finding the number of rings in the